Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there today? I hope you're having a great, wonderful day, guys. I had to come to you guys with this new texting platform, okay? I'm sorry, these people are, as soon as you get on Facebook, everybody wants to send you a message, okay? Hang on a second. All right. Want to come to you with this new texting platform. It's been out pretty much about a week now. They've got over 1,000 members, and people that have never made money online is making money. It is totally insane. And believe me when I tell you, I haven't seen anything like this since I've been online. Abundance Network. Okay, if you have not seen it before, it is a new texting platform that is taking the internet by storm. But before we do that, before I forget, go ahead and click the subscribe button. Go ahead and click the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos, okay? Because you probably landed here because you're looking for a way to make money from home, okay? And that's how you ended up landing on my page. So I do show you different ways to do that on my channel. But this program, I'm so excited about it, guys. I had to come to you with it. I'm in the group right now, and I'm going to show you some different proof that people are making money with this program, and especially newbies, okay? And what I'm excited about with it, and here's my number. I want you to make sure you call it 715-502-3032. Go through it for yourself, see how this thing really works. But I actually signed up yesterday, and I want to tell you this because I want to be transparent with it. I was introduced to it. One of my colleagues sent me his number, and I went ahead and went through the system. I was so excited I signed up, but I made an error, guys, so be very careful, okay? So it was a great learning experience. I was so excited. I was going through the prompts, and I actually left off the .com somehow when I was texting my email when I signed up. And the system did say, are you sure this is correct? Okay. And I said, yes, because I was just going through it and I saw Gmail and I kept moving. And what happened was I never received an email notification with my login information. And I was thinking it was something wrong with the system, but it wasn't. It was a user error. So just be careful when you're going through the prompts to sign up. Again, I was just so excited, so I made an error. So now going forward, I'm going to be able to identify that for my people as well and go back and notify them. But at any rate, this is the first of its kind, an SMS system that's totally automated, 100% automated. I mean, I went through the whole prompt and literally signed up without even speaking to anyone, even down to when they send you the message to pay your portion to your sponsor, then you pay a portion to the company. Literally 100% automated, guys. So this is perfect. I'm going to tell you why it's perfect. Number one, for a newbie, because a lot of people, and I made me some good notes here so that I didn't forget anything. A lot of people that's new, they don't want to have to talk to people or follow up with people, right? So this is perfect. You don't have to do that. Okay, you don't have a website, you don't have a funnel, you don't have to worry about getting a domain, any of those things. So the system is going to close your sales, it's going to follow up with your prospects. You don't have to worry about, well, what should I say when a lot of times when people get opt-ins, they say, well, hey, well, what should I send them back? Can you tell me some of the things you're saying? Let me get some of your ads so that I can respond. You don't have to worry about that. Totally automated. The system will ask all the questions. It's like having a texting system with a capture page system, because it's going to ask for the name, the email, all those things that we normally capture initially. It's going to do all that for you through the system all the way. The only thing you're going to have to do after you are prompted and you receive a text message is to mark them as paid in your back office. That's it. But you'll know when to do that, because through the whole process, you're receiving messages on the phone as people are going through the system and they're calling and they're answering the questions and the answers. You can see all that through this device, okay? So this has really changed the game. Now with this is, you're going to share your number and people are going to go through the prompts. The system is going to close them for you. So this one is not outgoing texting. You're not going to be sending texts. what's going to happen is people are going to call your number, and the system is going to text out for you, okay, all the information, okay? So you don't have to worry about, you know, sending messages out, okay? It takes care of all that for you. So in a nutshell, it's like taking all the texting systems that I'm a part of, putting it together, and it's taking care of all of the closing for me, okay? And not to mention, on the back end, you can promote any primary business you have too, guys. So basically, this is going to help you with your primary business if you have a primary business, because you're going to be able to put in your profile in the back office your primary business that you want to promote. You can put that link in there, okay? So if they opt out of doing this particular program, then the system can send them to your other program, okay? And then how do you get paid? Well, you can do Venmo, Cash App, Zelle, or Bitcoin, okay? Those are the ones they recommend. Now, understand they're going to be adding Stripe to that as well, okay? So that's great. But $100 direct to you guys, and it's automated, okay? Totally. You know, sometimes we'll say, oh, it's done for you, it's automated. Maybe 80%. With this one, 100 total percent. I kid you not. What you can do is call this number, 715-502-3032. Go through it for yourself. You will see exactly what I'm saying. I never have to speak to anyone. All I do from my phone is watch the process, okay? It's like having an assistant, okay, doing all the work for you, and then you just sit back and you get notified, okay, of the process, okay, and what's going on. Totally, guys. And how much is it? $150, guys, one time, okay? No monthly fees, any of that, okay? So 100 will go to your sponsor, and 50 will go to the admin, the company, for setting everything up for you. It's not a bad deal at all. Business in a box. So I recommend Cash App. I like Cash App. But you can put in your back office, there's another box that you can specify, you know, your payment preference, okay? But this is the perfect one for my people that don't want to talk to anybody, don't want to have to follow up, don't know what to say. This is rejection free, okay? This is a total rejection free system. So this is another tool. Don't look at this as an opportunity. This is another tool that you can use to promote your primary business, okay? If you don't have a primary, this will be perfect for you guys. Perfect way to start getting those $100 commissions. And there's various ways to promote this. They have in the back office different swipes that you can use. I'm going to compilate and put together a lot of swipes, a lot of emails to give. I have a new list of emails and swipes. I'm going to put it all together, and I'm going to give it away to people when they join me, okay? So perfect program, guys. This is it right here. It's like the latest, you know, there's always a cutting edge, a new cutting edge technology. This is it. This right here has done it. So someone's going to have to really step it up to beat this one. Abundance Network is it. The latest and greatest technology. Okay. Totally SMS automated closing system. This is the one you want. So what I'm going to do is put the link below. I'm sorry. No links. How about that? We'll put the number below. As you can see right here. 715-502-3032. We'll put the number below. We're so used to seeing the links, right? Put the number in the description so you can go ahead and dial it. Get your free demo. Check it out and you'll see what I'm talking about. You definitely want to get in this, guys. It's a perfect program for $150. You cannot beat this for all the income potential that you're going to make, okay? First sale, you keep. You're going to pass up the second and fourth sale. After that, you're good to go. But just think, you get your money back on the first sale, okay? That's all I got for you guys today. I'm going to see you on the inside. Go through this. If you have any questions, give me a call, all right? I look forward to working with you guys. You guys have a blessed day.